Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a crochet hat. I'm gonna use this beer to explain how to take measurements for making the hat. Start from the crown of the head and measure up to a length a little bit below the ears. This length should be equal to the length of the first chain stitch that we are gonna make. To start the chain, make a loop. Then twist the longest yarn, pull through, tighten it. I'll show you again. Make a loop, yarn over and pull the yarn. Now continue the chain by twisting, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Now repeat it to create a chain. The length of the chain should be equal to the length that you have measured from the crown of the head up to a little below your ears. Once you made enough chain stitches, measure the length of the chain stitch and check if it is equal to the length that you have measured. For me, the length I have measured was equal to 30 centimeters and I have made enough chain stitches. To start the second row, leave 2 stitches and start creating half double crochet on the third stitch. Create a half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, again yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. I'll repeat it again, yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now I will repeat it one more time, yarn over, insert in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now repeat doing this until the end of the chain. Once you reach the end of the chain, create 2 chains, 1, 2 and turn your work. Every stitch has a front and back loop. This is front loop and this is back loop. Now create half double crochet in the back loops only. Creating half double crochet like yarn over, insert in the back loop only, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. I'll repeat again, yarn over, insert in back loop only, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Continue doing this stitch until the end of the chain. Once you reach the end, chain 1, chain 2 and turn the work. Now start doing half double crochet. Yarn over, insert in the back loop only, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, insert in the back loop only, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now repeat the step for multiple rows to create a mat. I'm gonna add another color to it. There is no change in pattern. You just have to repeat the same pattern, like yarn over, insert back loop only, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Repeat it to create a mat. This is how the mat should look. The length of the mat should be equal to the circumference of the head. Now fold the map and stitch the edges together. Now sew along the length of the hat. Once done, take inside out to hide the stitches. At the top of the hat, I am going to create a drawstring like pattern. As I don't have the required needle, I am just going to use the crochet needle to create the stitching. The yarn is pulled through all the loops, pull the yarn to create a drawstring. Now this forms the top of the hat. Now fold the other end to complete the look. See, the hat is done. You can accessorize it by adding a pom pom. If you want to know how to make a pom pom, click the link here. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any suggestions, feel free to use the comment section. Until next time, bye!